This requires the Justice League. Superman, Booperman, Superman, Duperman, Superman, Fly by Side Higher, Superman, Ray, Superman, Superman, Superman. You duck that. Superman, Superman, a Vooperman, Superman, Superman, Ray, Poo, Sul, Ghoul, and both. Give they. Hell sons up ass, devil sons up ass. Big Devil Foreman. Now who's next? You know you have to get the chip out my penis. And how do you get the chip out of my penis? By cutting it off, that's right. Superman, Duperman, Superman, a Vooperman, a Superman, Superman. Swing that way, fly by side, Superman, a Duperman, laser eyes, work harder. Blast. Pool so cool. Just a kid, Gib Crabbin. Move along, kid. Move along. Who else dares defieth the chip penis? A girl can also suck it out. You get a girl to suck it out me? She's got the chip. She sucked it out me. Boy, she sucks like a Shamu whalefish. She sucks like a Shamu whalefish. Man, the Shamu whalefish really sucks it down.